Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have my official review for you of these brand new Murron colors that I just received. I got 3 new colors. So this one is Meat Beige. Then I have the turquoise. The name of this one is Turquoise Water. And then the pink, it's called Soft Pink. So you guys have heard me talk I have a previous video where I talked about my use of Murron, this brand. I purchased the gray color that I really liked. So here I have received three other new colors that I'm testing out. I'm going to swatch them for you so you guys can see what these look like. I'm going to do that on my right hand. Yes, I'm doing this intro after the fact, but I'm going to swatch these on my right hand so you guys, I mean, the formula is fantastic, and I feel like I have mentioned before, I feel like you really get the best of both worlds when using this gel polish, because even though they do have their own brand of a gel top coat, I believe they can be used as a one-step gel. Okay, so there's no base necessary. They do not have a brand of base of their brand. They only have the colors and the top coat. But I have been using this as a one-step gel, and as you guys, if you've been keeping up with other reviews as well, so this is a peelable, it's a peel-off gel polish. It peels off of your nails after, and it does have really good wear. It really does. It can last for weeks, and you can still remove it off of your nails without any damage whatsoever. That is just fantastic. And you pretty much, you can put other things, you can put anything on top of this. You can put regular polish if you get bored of the color, and then remove your regular polish off of this with maybe nail polish remover rather than acetone, so you don't compromise the color. Or you can put other gels on top of this and then peel it off. That's what I have been doing. So yeah, it's been great. I'm glad I got these 3 pastel colors, and I'm going to swatch them on my right hand, and my goal is to keep them on my right hand for at least 3 weeks, because towards the end of this month I do have some plans of making a design towards Memorial Day weekend, since I'll be going out of town. So I will at least try it on for 3 weeks, and you will see me do it. I've had the gray color, flirting with gray, absolutely a very pretty gray that I've mentioned before. Still have it on my toes, haven't even attempted to. Probably this week I will go ahead and try to peel them off now that I got some new colors. But I will go ahead, and you will see me apply 2 coats of each one of these on my nails. And then on my ring nail, I went ahead and created an accent nail, making a marble design with the 3 colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. Okay guys, so there you saw how well these perform. Like I said, 2 coats for each color, and this of course was an exception of creating that marble there. I really like how that goes, so easy. No top coat on this, and it has a pretty good shine, pretty shiny on its own. Now I'm going to say this one right here, I don't know if you can tell on camera, the pink, it says it's called a soft pink, but in person it has some lilac undertones. See there? Oh, let's see, maybe even here against my pink glove, but I wouldn't call it quite a 100% a true pink. It has some lilac undertones. It's very pretty. The mint is a true mint, and the beige, here it is on my nail. It looks a little lighter than the paper on the bottle, but very pretty. Yeah, and that, I will say that is a true beige. All creams, no shimmers or anything. And also to bring up this polish is their 10 toxin free, vegan and cruelty free on this formula. So absolutely fabulous. So my goal is, with testing this and keeping it on for at least 3 weeks, I will come back and show you the peel off of this. Okay, so that is all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I will have any related links down in the description bar below, so you guys can go check it out. These sell on, they have their own website, and I did see that they also sell on, they have them available on Amazon. I'm not sure about all the colors, but you guys can go check them out. I would like to thank Murron for sending me these beautiful polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.